In this case, there were suppliers of tin plates based in Cardiff in Wales. They were doing business with a buyer in New York City. Now, at the time, there was a telegraph wire between New York and the United Kingdom, and telegrams could be sent very quickly. Letters, on the other hand, took about 10 days to cross the Atlantic. Still not bad, really. I mean, this was 1880. On the 1st of October, the defendants, Van Tienhoven, sent a letter to the American company, Byrne & Co., offering to sell 1,000 boxes of Hensole brand tin plates for 15 shillings and sixpence a box. They said that the offer would be open provided they received an order by letter or cable before the 15th of October. The letter took 10 days to cross the Atlantic and it arrived in New York on the 11th of October. The American company immediately sent a telegram saying, "Accept 1,000 Hensoles," and then they followed this up with a letter accepting the deal. In the meanwhile, though, on the 8th of October, while the offer letter was still making its way across the ocean, the market shifted by 25%. The sellers in Wales sent a second letter withdrawing the offer. Now you can see how curly this was. When they withdrew their offer, it was only the 8th. The American company hadn't received the offer. So at the time the American company cabled "accept 1,000 Hensoles," the offer had already been withdrawn. And yet the withdrawal had not reached the American company. When they accepted the offer, they had no idea that it had been withdrawn. So was there a contract? Justice Lindley said, "In my opinion, the withdrawal by the defendants on the 8th of October of their offer of the 1st was inoperative, and a complete contract binding on both parties was entered into on the 11th of October when the plaintiffs accepted the offer of the 1st, which they had no reason to suppose had been withdrawn." From this case, we learn that the withdrawal of an offer is not valid until it reaches the person to whom the offer was made. Until that time, the offer can be accepted and a contract can be formed.